Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to make navigation transparent in Framer. So step 1 is just open the Framer, and once you're into this interface, make sure to log in with your account as well. So just click on insert and go into the navigation bar in basics navigations, and from navigations just choose whatever navigation do you want to select. And now as you can see, like I have selected a navigation, so just click on this desktop option and on the right side scroll down, and inside the typography section you will see an option called styles. Just click on fill, and from fill just select the black color, just to be very clear and more visibility for the our navigation. So once done, double click on our navigation bar, and once you double click on it, you will see like this option. So select this one, and on the right side scroll down, and inside the styles you will see the fill color. Just click on this one, and you can just select the color best matching with the black. Let's say I want to go with this color. Go to this section, choose this kind of a gradient. Simply choose your color whichever you think is best, and just make sure this is like 20%. Set it to 20%, and now you can change the color, whichever color you want to select. Let's say I feel like this one is pretty decent for me. I want to choose this one, so select it. And once done, simply just click on this plus button, and you will see option called filters. Just go to filters and add BG blur. And once you add BG blur, scroll down and you will see like this option BG blur. So just change its value to 20, press enter. And once it is changed, make sure to select this one, or you can just go back to the home page. And now as you can see, like it has been added. My color is not good, but let me just add something. Select it to fixed. Make sure to select our navigation and change it to fixed. Once it is fixed, you can just click on insert and add sections. Let me just add 2 to 3 sections, and just add whatever you want to add, and just click on this preview button. And once you click on preview, if I scroll down, now as you can see, like my navigation bar is transparent, as you are able to see that the text behind this navigation bar is completely like visible, but it is blurred. So that is how you can make the transparent navigation bar inside the Framer. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.